Most people picture hydrogen technology at a fueling station or maybe a bus depot. Nobody pictures it underground, thousands of feet below the surface, in a working mine. But that's exactly where some of the most compelling hydrogen applications are happening right now. Here's the engineering reality of an underground mine. You have heavy diesel equipment operating in enclosed tunnels. That equipment produces exhaust, particulate matter, and heat continuously throughout every shift. That air has to go somewhere. Moving it is the job of the mine's ventilation system, and ventilation is one of the largest single operating costs in underground mining. The more diesel equipment you run, the more ventilation you need. It's a direct relationship. Hydrogen fuel cell equipment eliminates combustion emissions at the point of use. No exhaust, no particulate, no combustion heat load. When you remove those outputs from the equation, your ventilation requirement drops significantly. That's not a marginal improvement. That's a fundamental change in how you engineer the mine's air management system. This is why mining engineers are paying serious attention to hydrogen, not because of government policy, because of operating costs. When I started mapping financial interest in hydrogen applications, the mining sector kept appearing, not as a fringe interest, but as a serious and growing area of hydrogen investment and deployment. That financial interest follows the engineering logic. Investors and mine operators are looking at the same numbers. The ventilation cost reduction alone can justify the transition economics in high output underground operations. The equipment most commonly transitioning to hydrogen in underground mining includes load haul dump vehicles, the heavy haulers that move ore through tunnels, as well as drilling equipment and utility vehicles. These are high-duty cycle machines operating in exactly the confined, emission-sensitive environment where hydrogen delivers its strongest engineering advantage. The underground mining case is important beyond the mining industry itself because it proves the engineering argument. Hydrogen doesn't win everywhere. It wins where the infrastructure problem is solvable and where emissions in a confined environment create a real operational cost. Mining proves both conditions can be met at scale. If you want the full technical picture, the engineering, the chemistry, and the real-world performance data behind hydrogen in mining and three other industries already using it, it's in my book, The Zero Emissions Engine is Here. The link is below. I'm David Jollymore. I've worked in hydrogen technology for over 20 years. This is what the industry actually looks like from the inside.